Creating chatbots for your website has never been this easy. And today I'm going to prove it to you. Let's imagine the following situation. We have a portfolio website where we post information about ourselves, our skills, our case studies, our professional workplaces, and so on. And a potential client or partner, when visiting this site, can view all this information. But if they suddenly want to learn more and dive deeper, they won't be able to do so effectively without receiving valuable feedback. That's why we can integrate a helpful AI-powered chatbot here, which will answer all the typical questions and inquiries from your clients or partners. I'll show you now how to set this up. To do this, we go to the Mavibot platform. If you haven't registered yet, then right here you will need to go through the registration process, enter your email address, set up a password, and then sign up. After that, you log into the platform and create your first project. Once inside the project, you will need to head over to the AI Assistant section. You'll find it here as the second item in the left menu. Now that you have arrived at this stage, we need to proceed to activate the role. Our chosen role will be that of a universal assistant, and the next important fields for your configuration are the bot settings and the bot's knowledge base. And so that we don't have to come up with all of this manually or write it out ourselves, we'll take a simpler approach. We'll give ChatGPT the task of generating both of these settings for us. So we go to ChatGPT and insert this short prompt. I'll also leave the prompt in the description below this video. Here, you just need to adjust it for your own niche and send it to ChatGPT. And as soon as it writes the prompt, I'll get back to you. Now that ChatGPT has successfully generated all of the necessary settings and the foundational knowledge for our future AI agent, we can simply copy these specific details, navigate back over to the Mavibot platform, and then paste them directly here into the bot settings section. After that, we will head back to ChatGPT once more to copy the specific knowledge we need and then carefully paste it into the designated bot knowledge field. Click Save. It's all pretty simple. As you can see, it took less than a single minute, and now we have a ready-made AI agent, which we can interact with and test right here in the chat interface. Let's write "Hey" to it first. We see that the AI agent responds immediately, introduces itself as Edward Davis's assistant, and asks how it can help us, and so on. And let's ask it some typical questions that it should be able to answer. Let's ask it the first question. We see that the AI agent actually gives a very detailed answer, specifying that it specializes in these particular areas. And let's test a couple more questions. Let's ask it this kind of question, and accordingly it highlights 5 points for us. So everything is pretty fast, everything is quite clear, but for now, this is still just a test environment. But we need to do this for our website, so let's go to the Messenger section. Right here, we are going to select the live chat option. And this specific area is where we can easily set the display name for our chat. Let's go ahead and call it, for example, Edward. We immediately see that everything has changed here. So Edward Online Helper. Excellent. For now, that's enough for us. We can also change the theme of our online chat. Let's go ahead and make it match the exact color scheme of the entire website itself. Let it be like this. And now, in order to embed this online chat widget, we first need to make sure to save your progress. Click Save and Close, and then press this button here. So, we copy this script snippet, and then simply click Copy. Next, go to the Website Builder section, right here, select our site, and in the settings for this site, navigate to the HTML section and paste this script here. And click Save and Close. Now we head back over to the website, give the page a quick refresh, and see that an online chat has appeared, where we can open it up and start typing out any message that we might want to send. As a primary example, hello. We see that the AI assistant is responding to us again. Let's go ahead and ask it a few additional questions. We see that the AI agent is responding, and in this way, you can, in an easy and simple way, set up and create a custom chatbot for your website, completely without the need to write even a single line of complex code, whether it's a portfolio site, a sales page, or any other kind of site. In any case, you can easily embed such a smart and helpful chatbot on your websites. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this tutorial today. You were on the Mavibot channel. Like the video and subscribe to the channel because there are even more interesting videos ahead.